challenging.
I like Taguanay.
Subig? What's in the cave?
Yeah. What's in the
Aviary na tayo.
Aviary, what's that?
Ready to
Look,
It's a rooster.
This the red ring, yellow lovebirds. Kinang may red sa neck, mo na lalaki, ang wala, babae.
Wow.
Goodbye.
Oh, that's a lovebird.
Yeah.
What?
We have also the mallard duck.
Oh, Molar duck.
Ah, that's a
Do you have a
chicken,
singing
know.
bird? Molar duck?
Yeah.
Can they fly?
No. And of course, nandito din yung largest pigeon, na tinatawag na blue crown pigeon.
Saan?
Doon siya sa baba yung parang may crown.
Skyline pigeon.
Anyway, walking distance lang siya. Pwede yung
Wow.
balikan. After the tour, you can
Can
have
I take that away from home?
Wow.
Pigeon. New style, new look.
Wow.
Walking distance na naman siya. Pwede yung balikan. And of course, makikita nyo din dito yung third largest bird in the whole world.
Ano?
Family siya ng ostrich, pero consider na dangerous kasi it can tear a tiger's body.
Oh.
Tinatawag siyang cassowary, the black one.
You're wrong.
Yours the black one.
Why?
The black one, where?
Nasa taas.
I can see it over there.
Anyway, walking distance lang siya, pwede
I can
yung
see a
balikan.
stone.
After the tour, you can have your bird walk.
What's that?
Sa taas, yung tinatawag na gazebo, good for wedding ceremonies and for wedding reception. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng seedlings, you have the Bulak Plant Shop sa likod ng souvenir shop, malapit lang sa restaurant. So, that's the end of our tour. Hope you had fun and enjoyed the rest of the day.
Where's the
Take care,
Skyrider?
guys.
Can you take us to the skywriting zone?
Ay, mag-ask kami sa day 2.
Can you bring the peacock here?
No.
Papato to, galay mo ng sky, skyride.
Oh, what's your friend?
Pwede pa. Pring sige kisik ko. Grabe yung siksik.
Ay, kadali lang. Hi. Kabuwak.